All right, working on this this Jeep Wrangler 1994. Fuel pump went out on it, and had to drop the tank to get the in-tank unit out. The best way to do it, take the filler out, 6 bolts, and then you can leave the hoses in. You can leave those hoses attached, and then basically I went in and I undid the bracket that holds the exhaust pipe. Now mind you, this is a 2.5, okay, 4-cylinder. So I took off the if you look there, the bracket that holds the end pipe there, the tailpipe, and then I was able to drop the tank enough so it kind of tilted a little bit. There you see I've already gotten the fuel pump out. 8 bolts holding it, small bolts, 1/4 inch I believe, or something like that, or maybe a little bit bigger. And then just got to get 1-2 hoses off, and then this connector goes somewhere up here I believe, and just chase it down and just unhook it and then just put in the new one, drop it in. I of course have to drain out a whole bunch of stale gas out of this piece of shit, so I'm gonna have to do that with a siphon pump, so that way I don't get, you know, a bunch of shitty gas going in through the carburetor or the throttle body or whatever. So anyways, it was pretty easy. I'm doing this after my 7th beer, so I think if you're not doing that, if you're doing it sober, it probably do a lot easier for you.